In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy a Notepad++. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Notepad++ executable installation of files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to the Notepad++ download page. Here I will click on the latest version and click download. Then I will go to my downloads folder and right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the executable file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer. I will enter my file server's name here, SRV02. Here I have the software share, and inside of the share I will create another folder. I will name it Notepad++. I will go inside of it and place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, then I will select new package. I will name the package Notepad++. Then I will click on steps, install. Here we need to provide our installation file, so I will click on the button right here. Then I will go to my file server once again, SRV02, software share, Notepad++ folder, and I will select the executable. And also we need to provide silent switches for the silent installation, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page. I will copy the silent switch that I have here. Then I will go back to PDQ Deploy and paste the value here. And that's basically all that we need to do for this package. Now I'll click on save and close this window. And now I'll be deploying this package to a few of my clients, and for that I will click on the package here. Then I will click on deploy once. I will select my targets by clicking on choose targets, Active Directory, and computers. I will select client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button and my targets appeared in this window right here. Then I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. Then I will go to Start menu, All Apps, and look for Notepad++ in here. And we can see it here. I will click on it and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.